Mykonos captures the essence of the perfect Greek island, with its whitewashed buildings, narrow cobblestone lanes, stylish boutiques, waterfront taverns, iconic hilltop windmills, and a sun-drenched harbor. Just a short boat ride away, Delos offers a wealth of ancient ruins from the heart of antiquity. A visit to Mykonos leaves no doubt you've experienced the essence of Greece. Southwest of Athens, Mykonos sits at the heart of the Cyclades Islands, known for their dry, rocky landscapes and iconic whitewashed villages. Cruise ships often dock at the new port north of town, with convenient shuttle boats bringing tourists right up to its old town. Our stroll takes us through the best of this charming village. From its oldest church, we stop along Little Venice enjoying its waterfront, take in sweeping views from the iconic row of windmills, and wander through the picturesque maze of narrow lanes of whitewashed homes, boutiques, galleries, and cafes, before returning to the lively waterfront. According to Greek mythology, Hercules fought and defeated the giants here on Mykonos, and their petrified remains are the large rocks scattered on the island. And the island gets its name from Mykons, its first ruler who was a descendant of god Apollo. Nearby is the island of Delos, a birthplace of gods Apollo and Artemis, which I'll give more information on later. Here is the oldest and most iconic church on Mykonos. Built next to the ruins of a Venetian fortress, the church dates back to 1425 and is actually a complex of 5 small chapels merged into one. Mykonos town is often called Kora by locals, which means town in Greek, to help distinguish it from the rest of the island. The old town is a charming maze of narrow, stone-paved alleys, originally designed in the Middle Ages to confuse pirates and deter invaders. Its whitewashed buildings are tightly packed, featuring flat roofs and brightly painted doors and window frames, often in striking shades of blue, red, or green. This traditional Cycladic style is both practical and beautiful. It reflects the harsh Mediterranean sun to keep interiors cool while creating a stunning visual contrast against the deep blue Aegean Sea. It's early morning and we pause for a coffee at a charming restaurant along Little Venice. We saw small fish jumping in the water. Here is a great vantage point of Little Venice. These waterfront buildings were originally constructed in the 18th century by wealthy merchants and sea captains as homes and storage for goods offloaded from ships. Today, many have been beautifully transformed into trendy cafes and bars, making Little Venice the perfect spot to soak in gentle breezes, sunset views, and the vibrant atmosphere that defines Mykonos. These iconic windmills were built on a hill to harness the strong northern winds for grinding grain. With thatched roofs and wooden sails, they have a commanding view over the harbor and were also a navigational landmark for sailors arriving in Mykonos. We now wind our way through more beautiful back streets of this charming old town and gradually make our way back to the harbor front. In this square are 3 old wells, which used to be the town's main source of drinking water. Our visit was a daytime port stop on a cruise in May. During the summer months, Mykonos transforms into one of Europe's top party destinations, with nightlife that often lasts until the early morning hours, sometimes featuring celebrity sightings. The beaches on the south coast come alive as vibrant party venues, boasting open-air dance floors and music pumping from the afternoon through the night until sunrise, and draw world-famous DJs. The small uninhabited island of Delos is a 30-minute boat ride from Mykonos, and according to Greek mythology, was the birthplace of twin gods Apollo and Artemis. The island thrived as a major sanctuary and later grew into a bustling commercial port during the 2nd and 1st centuries BC, until repeated pirate raids forced trade to shift elsewhere. Today, Delos is known for its well-preserved ruins, including temples, theater, mosaics, and marble statues. If you enjoy my videos, I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified of new releases. It's free, and sharing with your friends is much appreciated.